Let me introduce you to the Cal-Meter. This is a meter that tests the iodide blood, calcium, in a fresh cow. Here's the meter. It comes with solution for calibration as well as fluid to rinse the meter out. Here's the meter. Very simple and easy to use. Let's calibrate it first. Just push the on button. And you want to open it up, and then you want to take the calibration fluid. I like to mark them 1 and 2. The 1 is the low calibration. So put just a few drops on the sensor, cover the entire sensor, close it, and push calibrate. Step 1. Look at the smiley face. When the smiley face stops flashing, there it is. It says done. That's the lower calibration. Once you've rinsed it, I like to take a tissue and dry it very carefully. Don't push on the lens on the sensor. Now we're ready for our second calibration. So that's the low calibration, and this is the high calibration. Once again, you take it and you put a few drops, make sure the sensor is covered. Push calibration again. Step 2. Watch the smiley face. Wait till it quits flashing. Good. Your meter is calibrated. Once again, take your rinse solution and clean the meter and dry it off. Now you're ready to take blood samples. Let's go test some cows.